Hello and welcome. My name is Caitlin, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living from the University of California Cooperative Extension. And today we're going to be learning about how to make pollinator pop clay balls. Let's get started. One of the flowers you'll be receiving in your pollinator pop kits is Nasturtium. Nasturtium are edible flowers that have a peppery taste. Nasturtium is perfect as a pollinator plant because the nectar is exceptionally sweet and the large flowers tend to attract hummingbirds and smaller pollinators like bumblebees. The second seed you're going to receive in your pollinator pop kit are Zinnia. Zinnia are non-edible flowers that are bright in color. And non-edible means that you cannot eat these flowers, unlike Nasturtium. Zinnia are perfect for pollinators like honeybees because their flowers are rich in nectar. In your pollinator pop kits, you will find a mixing bowl, a mixing tool, flower seeds, clay, soil, an egg carton, but you will also need to get some water and wax paper. First step, you're going to place your mixing bowl on a piece of wax paper. And if you don't have wax paper, you can use any regular paper. The goal is to catch your spills. Your next step is you're going to mix the seeds with the soil inside the bowl. Step 3. You're going to add your dry clay and mix all your ingredients together and make sure you mix them well. Now it's time for the fun part. Grab some of your mixture and roll it around in your hands. The goal is to mold your mixture into about a marble-sized ball. Next, you're going to place your pollinator pop clay ball in a dry, shaded area for at least one day. Now if you want, you can place your pollinator pop clay ball carefully in the egg carton. The egg carton is going to act as your pot. And if you don't want to use your egg carton because you have a perfect spot out in your garden, that's okay. Take your pollinator pop outside and gently toss it into your garden space. And now watch your pollinator pops grow. And once your pollinator pops are fully grown and you see flowers, can you notice any pollinators in your garden? Wondering what you can do with your edible flowers? Check out the spring green salad recipe from foodheroes.org. Nasturtium is an excellent flower that can be added on top of salads or your yogurt in the morning. It's got a great peppery flavor and it adds spectacular colors to whatever you're eating. An important note, don't eat your flowers unless you know they have not been sprayed with dangerous pesticides or other chemicals. Don't eat any other plants or flowers that have not been identified to you as edible and safe to eat. Interested in more information about how flowers can help you grow your food, or how plants germinate, or just your basic gardening information? Check out these links from foodheroes.org to get more information.